was the 46th floor.
Oh, shit.
Where are they?
Officers Roman and Burgess meet Dylan,
You do it.
Carlos, and
Sparrow?
whatever have the names like Mike and Tom.
Body
What's up with
like
the
a
frowns,
bagger,
guys?
dropping
The police
it,
now
but I
coming
just,
inside.
Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah.
Good
As far
job.
as anyone knows, they're detainees like any other, which means they'll be treated as such.
Remember the penguin?
Warden
The
knows they're
penguin?
inside. Anyone
The
else finds out, he'll
Dylan
shut us
is
down.
always in the penguin.
Who's watching Alvin?
One of my best undercovers.
Have you already picked?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's always in the good one is always in the pink one.
Okay.
The hot water's on the inside, trying to get Tucker on
I know, it's always in the
order.
black. Hold on, hang on.
We're out here doing
Well, I'm just gonna
everything
put
we
this in
can
anyway.
to ID the shooter and then link him back to Tucker.
You said the teal one's always in the pink one. Oh no, I got the bad one.
She gets the bad
That's the new commander.
Sounds like fun. Weird
Oh, look
dude.
at that.
I spoke to Molly.
Okay,
She's on her way
let's
for
Looks
start.
like a
We're
pie.
ahead with the showcase and
Cut.
firing pin signature doesn't match anything in the
Body
database.
like
No usable
bad
fingerprints.
thing.
She was careful.
I'm gonna go back to basics, check every
Look.
camera with like 2 CPD pods, commercial residential surveillance, and run every in-service call that came in last night. I want to be briefed.
Let me cut it off.
Never possible.
Then Peter, what do you choose?
Hey, you got a sec?